Hey girls, I did originally make the video over there, and when I uploaded the clips on my computer and was ready to edit it, I realized that the sound was like 1,000 times worse than it has ever been in any of my videos, and that says a lot. Betina asked what we have been up to for the last 2 weeks. If you follow me on Twitter, you'll know that I've been single for 2 weeks now. It's kind of weird, and it's really strange to adjust to. We have been together for 15 months, so on one hand I have to adjust being single again, and what the hell did I do before I got a boyfriend, and on the other hand I also have to adjust to this whole thing while living on my own. The first week I lived at my parents' house. We had week 42 off, but just like every other school child, which was nice. So I got home and I worked a bit, and so right now I'm just trying to adjust to being alone in the apartment. I've been talking to my step-cousin about finding a place. She wants to be a chef, and currently she's living on the school in a room with another girl, and she doesn't know the other girl. A nice way to get to know the people you're in school with, but on the long run you really want to have something for yourself. Also, last week was my dad's birthday. He turned 50, and we held it on Saturday, and I got really drunk, together with my step-cousin and my brother, coming home to my apartment Sunday with a hangover. What else? Length of this video? I don't know. I don't really know how long a video should be. Becky, the whole thing about not, having a job. I really couldn't imagine not having a job. I'm not able to work very much right now because of school. And in November I have 3 shifts, which is nothing. But luckily I get off from school on December 10th, and I only have 1 exam in December, which is a 4-hour long English grammar, 2 exams in January. The first one is German, and the second one is organization. But that means I have to work a lot, and that's really great. I will be a bit stressed probably because of Christmas shopping, but money-wise, November and December is going to be crap. I'm not really feeling that this video is going anywhere, so I'm just gonna stop it. Oh, one final thing. NaNoWriMo, are you doing it? I'm not really sure. Let's face it, November the 1st is on Monday, and this Saturday I'm going to have a friend over, and Sunday I'm going to visit another friend whose dad's birthday it is. So yeah, I've done it for 2 years, so I'm a competitive person and I want to do better each year, so that is really annoying, and I wouldn't be surprised if you could find a message on Twitter on Monday from me going, yay, first day of NaNoWriMo. I could do it. I shouldn't, but I'm probably going to do it anyway. Anyway, Maya, I'll see you tomorrow, and the rest of the girls, I'll see you next week. Bye.